Good morning, traders. So how do we trade the Aussie this morning? So as expected, yesterday was pretty volatile with the closeout. And if we have a look here, we were pretty much sort of 500 points down, 500 points up type swing. So yeah, the data right now on my chart anyway is going to be a little bit suspect because this is a new contract. So we're on the December contract now. So pretty much what frustrates me now is your levels disappear. But anyway, what we need to do is just focus on the near future or the near past. So you can see we've got a level here that we need to get through. Okay, now if we just add another line at the bottom here, you'll see we have a flat top triangle. Okay, so what we're looking for is obviously a break above this level, but the confirmation for me is going to be a break above the previous fractional level, which is here. So 51368 or 51370 probably is the safest one. So we break above 51370, then you can expect that this consolidation pattern will play out, and our target for the short term is going to be pretty much up there, which is nice 1,500 points, and that is 52845. Okay, so we just need to delete that. Let's get down to the 30. Okay, so the one concern that we do have is obviously we have a potential double top. Okay, now what would validate that would be a break below this level here of 5,800. Okay, so if we break below that, there is a possibility that this could be a double top, and then we could break to the downside. Now, what that would do, just by eyeballing this at the moment, would basically move us to the bottom of a potential range, which would be there. Nope. We can go a little bit further. Okay. And we can't see too much in the past, but that's pretty much the scenario that I see at the moment. For me right now, the volatility yesterday was a mix between the rand that was recovering quite strongly and also the closeout. Okay, so the US markets rallied quite extensively last night with the Dow Jones all-time high and the S&P hitting an all-time high as well. So I would suspect that we're going to get some follow-through on our market as well. So for me, my bias is kind of to the upside. This 200 moving average is quite critical on the 30-minute as well as on the hour. You can see we're right on it at the moment. So the trend has changed as far as I'm concerned. It's only going to fail pretty much. I can say there's one level that I would consider a failure, and that's going to be down here at 55.45. But again, that's going to be an area that I would look to get in long again. Okay, so what could happen is this could just turn out to be a range, with this being the bottom of the range here. Let me just delete that one, so you can see there's the range there. Okay, so what I'm looking to do today is I'm looking for longs. Okay, I didn't really trade any of this yesterday. I wasn't interested in stressing myself out. And so long as we're staying above this 200 on the 12, you can argue that the trend has changed. Okay, no diversions or anything to speak of that I can see. Nope. So there's nothing really that's standing out to give us a direction at the moment. So you're going to have to work with price action. So what we're looking for, and I think I saw it on the lower time frames. Yeah, there it is. So when you get pin bars like this on a 6-minute or 12-minute chart, you're pretty much guaranteed that we're going to rally. Okay, but then when it starts dropping gaps, you see between the open and close there is a gap. Price will normally always come back to that gap, and which is exactly what happened here. Okay, so yeah, for me, it's going to be a case of just waiting for the price action in the first half hour. That should give us an indication of what's going on. And I do suspect we're going to come up to 51370, and we'll probably bounce off it again and then maybe do another attempt at it. If we do break through that, okay, then you need to watch 51441 or 51445 to be safe. And if we break through that, then you have a swing trade all the way up to 52845. Okay, so yeah, for me the bias is still up, and whether we get in long here or whether we get in long at the bottom of this range, if this triangle, so if we break the triangle to the downside, come back up, test it, and then start moving, it may still be an opportunity for a short, but this level down the bottom is extremely strong. And I don't know if we'll pick it up on the weekly here. Yeah, we will. Okay, so can you see where the buyers stepped in here on the weekly all the time? So that's kind of what my take on this is at the moment, and we'll have to wait and see what happens today. But my bias is to the upside. Okay, so let's just summarize that. So what we're looking for is, let's just see where our good old friend 10 cent is. 10 cent is up 1.8%. Okay, Rand dollar 14.30, so that's quite stable. Crude oil $70, so that's also pretty stable at the moment. But the US markets rallied close to 1% yesterday. Nikkei's up 1% and the Hang Seng is up 1%. So I do suspect we do rally. We're probably going to gap up. So if we do gap up, this is the level to watch here, 51367. Then I want to see a bounce back down and then an acceleration away. So at this stage, we are testing the break of the alligator, okay, on the hour. And remember, for me, the trend change happens here. So as long as we're staying above the alligator, this trend has changed, we're moving to the upside. Okay, the only problem is that we have a pretty large 700-point stop loss at the moment. So what we're looking to do is to get below. So we want this 5,800 to hold. If so long as that can hold, we've got an area to put a stop in just below 5,800, and we can anticipate that this is going to be a break. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's my take for Friday. Definitely looking for longs. The question is where we're getting in. Somehow doubt we're going to get to the bottom here. I think we're going to gap up, find some resistance here, bounce off, then sort of go sideways, and then possibly break through. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for, and definitely looking at a long-term target of 52845. Well, medium-term target. Could happen today. It could happen by Monday or Tuesday, since Monday is a public holiday here. Anyway, that's my take on this today. I hope it helps, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.